badass, dude. That sounds pretty good. What up, dog? Sounds good. Is that arc? It is too hot. Yeah. Looks good, bro. Yeah. Is it arc exhaust? I forget.
Yeah, it's arc.
Arc? Ooh, you hear sirens?
Does it sound good?
No, it sounds good. Sounds good, yeah. I heard you coming. I was like, oh yeah, roll the window down. Yeah, we know there's cops. We know. Speed bump life right there, man. That low life. Mo's definitely way lower than I am. Yep. Look at that storm. We call that haboos. Haboo! Haboo, motherfucker! That bitch is like, what? Anyways, haboo is a sandstorm. It's the only kind of weather you get in the desert, which they think is scary. I think it's hilarious. Shit just got bananas, man. Fucking speed bump heaven, Jesus. Well, I didn't know this is what we're doing. Oh, you said an old abandoned airstrip. What is this? What up?
I think the entrance is back there. We should go to the Deadpool.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we're able to go back in here?
Huh?
Are we able to go back in here?
Can't hear you.
Are we able to go in here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, have to go back there.
Oh, that was like speed bump fucking hell.
This one was really bad.
Yeah, but then they started getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
I had to go through that again.
All right, that's fine. Here comes this truck. Let's Turn around. Holy cow, dude. Alright, this is a real Haboo. So in Phoenix, this is what you get. We don't get winter, we don't get bad weather, we get Haboos. And it's a big, huge dust storm where no one can see anything. So, I'm used to driving in the snow. I grew up driving in the snow. Driving in the sand's a joke. Man, I just love the way his Jeep looks. It looks great. Are you kidding me? Are you serious, dude? What are you doing? Alright, I guess we're going down this. Wow. It's been a while since I've taken the G on a gravel road. Huh, look at that little dust devil right over there. You see that? Huh.
It's worse than I thought.
Yeah, dude. It's pretty cool though. I like it, man. It'll look good on film. What's that? Oh, I should be okay. I should be good. Yeah. Okay. Jeez. Oh, the bumps are killing me. The bumps are killing me. This is pretty sick, dude. This is pretty badass.
Oh yeah,
I like it with the dust storm. It makes it all nice and eerie, dude. It just looks sweet.
Hopefully it looks good with this dust.
The what's that?
The pictures are
Well, the thing is it'll always be sunny to come back and do it, but it won't always be dusty. You know what I mean? The pictures will look good. I see what you're saying. You know, I think the video will look good because it just looks like a G35 dream as you're going down with your tail lights and the dust storm. That's pretty dope, dude. Yeah. That looks really sweet, actually. Yeah.
I hit so many rocks.
Oh yeah, your car is so much lower than mine. You had to. It looks good though coming through. It looked really good. Like the storm coming through is awesome, actually. So this dust storm is so bad, we're actually heading out under this plane right now. Oh, there's lightning from the Haboo. Yeah, it's pretty bad, dude. I didn't realize it'd be this bad. I can't see anything around me. Yeah, I wonder if you're gonna get a good photo, dude. Yep, and it's raining. So that'll make all the dust go down. What's that?
Can you move the car just a bit?
My car or your car?
No, my car.
Oh, you want me to move it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll move it. How far up? Oh, that kind of looks like that's falling in over there. Alright, beast mode in here. See if the parking brake on? It does. Oh, shit. Where's the parking brake? Oh, you push on it. My bad, dude.
No, you're good.
I pulled the hood. Right there? Good? That's easy enough. Oh geez, and I have my camera down like that. For real? I know, right? What's that?
I don't want to bore inside of it.
There's what inside of it?
The hole.
Oh, I know. I saw the hole. Turn your lights on. There you go. Now hit it. Can't wait to do this. It's gonna be super fun.
And hopefully the cops won't show up. That was dope.
That's badass, dude. That was badass. You want a what?
White donut.
A wide donut? That one was sick, dude. Either way, it still looks sick. Yeah. That's pretty wide, coming right at me. I said, that's a pretty wide one.
I didn't complete the donut though.
I know, I thought my life was flashing, dude. I had to move, I was like, shit.